Hi all, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So we will see first assignment. So what are the first assignment questions? So there are 5 questions. So first question is take name and age of person from input and display on the console using format specifier. So format specifiers means, so if you have knowledge of C programming, so there is concept of format specifier. In the same way we have format specifiers in Python also. So %s is for string, %i is for integer, %d is for integer. So those you have to use here. So we will solve this first question. So for this I have opened this Python ideally, that is integrated development environment. So now I want to create here new file. So I will create here new file. So now I will solve here first question. So first question is take name and age of person from input and display on the console using format specifier. So now this is my file. So now name we have to take. So name I am giving here input. So this is prompt message to user. Enter your name. You can give any message. Then age we have to take. Age, as it is integer, we have to convert this, whatever input value is there, we have to convert it into integer. So that's why we have used int function. Now next, using format specifier we have to print. So for that we have to take print function in this. So here I am writing message like hi. Here I am using %s because here I want to print this name and your age. As I want to print age, so that is integer value, so that's why I can take here %i or %d. So your age is, we will take, so it is more readable. So now once you have taken this format specifier inside this string, so then you have to give here percentage, then percentage sign you have to take and give here the variable names which you want to replace those format specifiers. So I have given here name, age. So now I will save this file, save as. So you have to create particular folder, and here I am giving file name as question 1 dot, so dot py automatically it will take. So now it is saved. Now I want to run this file. So now enter name. So I am giving here Ram, age is 22. So now it is printing, hi Ram, your age is 22. So here our question is solved. So as per question we have to use the format specifiers to print the name and age on console. So this is the solution of first question. So now we will see second question. Take name and age of person from input and display on the console using f string. So we know that f string is available from Python 3.6. So we will use that. So we will see how to solve this question. So for this I am creating new file. So here I am taking name equal to input. So this is like same as previous question. Now age we have to take, so integer function we have to use. Enter your age. Then next we have to use f string. So whenever we are using f string, so whatever string you are writing, you have to prefix that string with f. Then whatever string you want to write, you can write. So here I am giving hi. This replacement operators you have to use, and here variable names you have to give. So which at runtime their values will get replaced here. So this curly brackets are the replacement operator we are using. Your age is again format specify replacement operator and age. I am saving this file as question 2. So now I want to run this. So now I am giving here Ram, age 22. So now using f string we could print this on the console, right? So now we will go for third question. So this third question, take name and age of person from input and display on the console using format method. So we have to use replacement operator and format method. So we will solve this. So now I will create new file and I will copy paste this code in that new file. So now next I will, so here we have to use format method. So here I am taking hi, and I am taking here replacement operator. Your age is, here also I am taking replacement operator. Then you have to use your format method. Format, and with which variable values, so it should get replaced this replacement operators. So those variable names I am giving here, name, age, control S as Q3. So this is question 3. Save. Now I am running this. So it is Ram 22. So hi Ram, your age is 22. So we solve this question using format method. So next question is, take whole number, floating point number, string, boolean data, check each of those data type. So now this is the fourth question. I will create a new file. So what we have to take? Number. So we have to take here number is equal to, I am taking int, input I am taking. So otherwise, so already we know here the data type. So instead of that I will take here directly numbers. So I am taking here 34. Then floating point number I am taking here float number is equal to 3.14. Then I am taking one string, city is equal to Bangalore. Then I am taking here one boolean data type. No, it is pass is keyword, so I can't take. So st pass, student pass or not, so that is true and false. So I am taking here true, right? So now what we want to do, so we will check everyone's data type. So that is our question, check those data type. So how to check data type? So we have to use type function for that. So here we will use f string, type, data type, we will take data type of number is. So we know that in f string we can evaluate functions also. Type number. In the same way we will take for remaining data types. So, data type of float number is type float number. This should be closed, right? Then print data type of city is type city. Then next last is stparse. If I am using data type of stparse is stparse. And now we will see the output. Now you have to save this file and Control S. So here this is our question 4. So Q4 I am taking. Save. Now running. So now it is giving data type of number is class int, data type of float number is float, this is city is string, and stparse is boolean. So in this way you can check data type of variables. So now last question is there. So in last question, take input any string and extract some part of the string. So that is our question 5. So I will create a new file. So for example, I am taking here one string city is equal to Bangalore I am taking, and I want to extract some part. So slicing we have to use. For example, if I want to slice from BANG, so what I have to take? So you have to use slice operator. You have to give start index, end plus 1 index, so that you have to give. So I will directly use here. You have to take variable name of that string. So then start index is 0 and end index is 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 plus 1, that is 4. So if I run this, sorry, I have to save first. So this is Q5. So now it is giving me bang. So in this way, using slicing operator, you can extract some part of the string.